think she's broken. Yeah, I'm talking about you. She's been doing this for hours. For hours, she's just been walking around like this. She hasn't done it in quite a while, so I was happy to see her do it today. Yeah, I'm talking about you. You're so funny. You're sure a goofy girl. But I figure it's exercise.
Well, maybe
Yep.
it's not as bad as being
I mean, it's not flying, but she's moving a lot. So I fear that to me it's like a slow walk in the park or something. A pretty girl. Yeah, crazy. She's been doing this for hours. Pretty funny. Hope everybody's having a birdful day. You're so funny, dude.